A great temperature sensor starts with a perfect weld. But if you're struggling with wire breakage, weak connections, or unstable resistance values, you're not alone. These challenges can slow down production, increase defects, and drive up costs. The world's top sensor manufacturers have already solved this problem with TATE. Our resistant spot welding machine is specifically designed for PT100 NTC RTD PT200 and PT1000 sensors, providing high-strength precision welds with zero compromises. Why do industry leaders choose TATE? Unmatched welding accuracy, stable resistance values every single time. All-in-one solution, one machine for all your temperature sensor welding needs. Built for high production efficiency, maximize output, minimize defects, and optimize costs. Trusted by the biggest names, the top sensor manufacturers worldwide rely on TATE. Shouldn't you? Solve your welding issues today. Tired of weak welds? TATE ensures consistent, high-quality bonds. Losing money on scrap and rework? Our precision control system minimizes waste. Looking for the industry's best welding solution? TATE is the answer. Contact us now. The best in the business trust TATE, and so should you. Tell WhatsApp +6 130 6265 7065. Email info@oktate.com. Invest in quality.